Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation on traditional Chinese medicine and its treatments. I hope you find this short presentation informative. According to Chinese medicine, qi energy, which is life energy, should flow freely in the body. This energy, reaching every point of the body, ensures our life and balance. Unbalanced qi can lead to fatigue, stress, and more importantly, illnesses. The free flow of qi is the foundation of a healthy life, and energy blockages can cause various health problems. Therefore, it is important to regulate the flow of qi. Yin and Yang represent the balance in the universe. If the balance between these two energies is disrupted, illnesses occur. Yin represents dark and cold energy, while Yang represents light and warm energy. Additionally, the 5 elements theory connects our organs with the elements of nature and supports health. These elements are fire, earth, metal, water, and wood. Each is linked to different organs in our body, and it's important to keep them in balance. Chinese medicine uses methods such as acupuncture, herbal medicine, moxibustion, and cupping therapy to regulate qi flow and strengthen the body. These methods are also scientifically supported and are particularly beneficial for pain, stress, and chronic illnesses. Acupuncture uses thin needles to stimulate specific points, ensuring energy balance. Herbal medicine uses natural plants to heal the body. Moxibustion uses heat therapy to increase energy flow. Cupping therapy, also known as hijama, helps improve blood circulation and remove toxins. Traditional Chinese medicine combines thousands of years of wisdom with modern healthcare to support holistic health and enhance the quality of life. Dear students, more details about Chinese medicine and acupuncture will be shared in our later lessons. Goodbye.